sing, DJ, we make rhythm every now and then to same way, you see me? Yeah. And my musical inspiration, I have a mentor, big up Nico Chromatic, you see me? Rest in peace, you see me?
Yeah.
Him really why me I do music. Music carry me around. Some of the great them, even the greatest of all time. Vybz Kartel, you see me?
Yeah.
I know it's a Gaza selector that, Nico Chromatic.
Big ups to Nico. You know,
That
God
is
was
it.
not forgotten.
Not forgotten, that is it. Yeah, man.
He was sick, yeah.
Yeah, with him kidney. Then they do a dancehall for a casting film.
Yeah.
Nico Chromatic. So rest in peace, Nico Chromatic. Fully bring, you know.
Yeah. Love that. Love how you know, respect
True.
the knowledge.
Sure.
Yeah, big ups to that every time. So, that means you have a link with Chromatic?
Yeah,
That's been-
yeah man, most definitely Creep said me, you know them from your youth. You see me, as I say, my musical inspiration come from Nico Chromatic because him used to carry me around. So I used to use the talkaphone to the turntable, every little thing. You see me, till we start DJ, I used to DJ for him and he used to tell me, say, yo, when you're ready, I'm going to tell you. But sadly, you know, they have to say the growth, you see me?
Yeah, Zane.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Well, we got the big sound queued right now, people. We're gonna feature it right now on the world's greatest radio station, Sun City. This one, it's a world premiere. M Banks,
That is it.
the greatest artist of all time.
Right now.
Right now, he's ready. This one is called a radio play. Yeah, you know you better to play it on the radio.
That is it. We see it.
Yeah, see it now, people.